Welcome to our exploration of one of Greek mythology's most fascinating stories, the tale of Zeus and Io. This myth is a captivating blend of divine love, jealousy, transformation, and perseverance. Let's dive into this legendary narrative and uncover its rich symbolism and meaning. Long ago, Zeus, the king of the gods, fell deeply in love with Io, a beautiful mortal priestess of Hera, Zeus's wife. Io's beauty was unparalleled, and her dedication to the goddess Hera made her even more enchanting. However, Zeus's affection for Io set the stage for a divine conflict. To shield Io from Hera's ever-watchful and jealous gaze, Zeus transformed her into a white heifer. In her new form, Io roamed the fields, but her transformation could not hide Zeus's actions from the sharp eyes of Hera. Hera, known for her cunning and vengeful nature, discovered Zeus's deception. In response, she sent Argus, a hundred-eyed guardian, to watch over Io. Argus was a formidable sentinel, as his eyes took turns sleeping, ensuring that Io was always under surveillance. Zeus, determined to free Io, enlisted the help of Hermes, the messenger god. Hermes approached Argus with his lyre, playing music so enchanting that it lulled Argus into an eternal sleep. Once Argus was incapacitated, Hermes freed Io from her captivity, but her journey was far from over. Now free from Argus but still a heifer, Io embarked on a relentless journey across lands and seas. Her travels were arduous, marked by trials and tribulations. She crossed rivers, plains, and even the seas, leaving traces of her journey in the names of places like the Ionian Sea. Io's odyssey finally led her to Egypt, a land steeped in its own myths and mysteries. Here Zeus intervened once more. In this sacred land, he transformed Io back into her original human form. Grateful and finally free, Io's story became intertwined with Egyptian mythology, where she was revered as a goddess. The myth of Zeus and Io is rich with symbolism. Io's transformation into a heifer represents innocence and vulnerability, while her journey symbolizes endurance and the quest for freedom. The story also highlights the dynamics of power, love, and jealousy among the gods. The tale of Zeus and Io continues to captivate audiences, reminding us of the timeless themes of love, sacrifice, and perseverance. Thank you for joining us on this mythological journey. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations into the fascinating world of mythology.